Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to decorate the Dollar Tree candy cane wreath form. These are really simple and they make great Christmas gifts, so I'm going to show you 2 ways to style this little candy cane. I will also show you how I made this large bow. So for this wreath you're going to need one of the metal Dollar Tree candy cane wreath forms. I picked up the elf legs at Dollar General for $3 each. You're going to need some ribbon, 2 colors of ribbon with wire. I did not use those ornaments on the right. Then you're going to just simply take your ribbon, place it under your candy cane wreath form, and you're going to hot glue your ribbon onto your candy cane wreath form. Be very careful when you hot glue it on. Let the glue have time to dry, and then make sure you slide the ribbon to the end of the wreath form. And now it's very simple. You're just going to wrap the entire candy cane wreath form with your ribbon, making sure you're getting it nice and tight and smooth. And it's easier for me to cut my ribbon in strips, but you can do it however you want. And mine has stripes on the edge, so I'm trying to kind of line mine up as I go. I have been making these candy cane wreaths for several years now, and the way I did the bottom of this one is the easiest way for me. And then when I get to the top where the arch is at the very end, I kind of leave a little extra ribbon and close it together like I would a package on the end. And then now I am going to take my little elf legs from Dollar General, and I'm just going to zip tie them onto the wreath, and then I cut the stems, the wooden picks, off shorter on the elf legs. There are lots of ways to decorate your little candy cane wreath. I'm just giving you some ideas. And now I am going to tie a large bow. So I'm cutting 9 strips at 29 inches. And this ribbon does have wire. So you're going to take 1 strip of ribbon. You're going to make a loop, about a 5-inch loop. You're going to do the same steps with all 9 strips of ribbon. Make sure you leave a little bit of the ribbon below your fingers. That way when you put the wire on, it doesn't pull out when you're fluffing your loops of your bow. When you have all of your loops made, you're going to take some floral wire, go right above your fingers. Make sure you get that wire nice and tight around the ribbon. Give it several little twists, and then you're ready to fluff the loops on your bow. Also, make sure you dovetail the ends of your ribbon. Okay, now once you have the bow fluffed like you want, you're just going to take the wires and you're going to wrap it around your little candy cane wreath form. Go to the back, give the wires a few twists, then cut off the extra part of the wires and fold them down. So this is how it looks. It's very cute without doing anything else. But on the side, you can see the zip tie a little bit and the the zip tie and the wire. So I decided to add some pom-poms to kind of cover that up and make it a little bit more fun. I picked up the pom-poms at Dollar Tree, so just be very careful when you're using your hot glue. So I just added a few around so that you couldn't see any of the zip ties or wires, and then I hot glued a pipe cleaner onto the back to hang it up on my door. So this is how it looks with the cute little elf legs sticking out. And now I'm going to show you one more option, and in the comment section below you'll have to let me know if you like option 1 or option 2 better. For option 2, I removed the Dollar General elf legs, and then I added some pom-poms along the candy cane, and I added this cute Dollar Tree sign that says Santa's Elves See Everything, and I just cut it apart. And then above the bow I added the top part of the sign, and then below the bow I added his little legs, and I just took a pipe cleaner, hot glued them onto the back of the signs, and then wrapped them around the candy cane wreath form. So you'll have to let me know if you like option 1 better or option 2. So thank you guys so much for watching. Merry Christmas!